Good morning, students. I welcome you all. Myself, Baby Rawat, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family members. Today, I'll continue the chapter, The Thief's Story, which is the second chapter of your book, Footprints Without Feet. Before I start, let's revise what we did in previous tutorial. So, I told in previous tutorial, I told you about Ruskin Bond, who is the writer of this story, and I gave you brief summary of the chapter. So, we read about Anil and Hari Singh. Both they are the main characters in this chapter, in this story. Hari Singh is a thief. He is only 15 years old boy, but a thief. And Anil is a 25 years old man who is very simple and kind. With this, let's begin. In previous paragraph, we read that Hari Singh, who is 15 years old thief, he offered his services to Anil and he requested Anil to keep him as a cook, and he lied that he could cook, but actually what was the fact that he didn't know how to cook. If he took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. Now, stray dog, street dogs, you all are aware about this word, stray dogs, and to be off. To be off means to go. Means when he cook food, here it is written that Anil lived over Jamna sweet shop, means his room was above Jamna sweet shop, and when Hari Singh went there with Anil, he cooked something. And Anil asked him to sleep on the balcony because he had only one room, and in that room Anil was living. So he asked that boy, that 15 years old boy, that in balcony he could sleep. And when he prepared, now he is saying maybe it was a terrible meal. And why it was terrible? Because Anil did not eat that. Rather, he gave to stray dog, and he asked Hari Singh to go from there. To be off means now he did not want his services. He understood that he lied that he could cook. Actually, he didn't know how to cook. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. Now, this boy, though he was a thief, but he was only 15 years old and he was lean. So, when Anil asked him to go from there, he didn't go, but he was hung around, means he was there only, and he showed his smile, again most appealing smile, to Anil, and he's saying that after that Anil started laughing because that thief, 15 years old boy, he looked innocent. Later he patted me on the head and said never mind, he would teach me to cook. And after that Anil patted means kept his hand on his head, and he said that don't worry, it's okay, he would teach Hari Singh how to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. So add numbers means mathematics, sentences means other subjects. So now he was teaching him how to cook, and along with that he was teaching him other subjects like mathematics and other subjects also. He was teaching how to read, how to write, all those things Anil was teaching to this thief. I was grateful, and this thief Hari Singh, he had a feeling of gratefulness. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So this boy, this 15 years old boy, he was very clever, and that time also he understood, though he was a thief, he was 15 years old only, but he is saying that he understood that once, because we don't know, this is not mentioned in the story, what was the reason for becoming a thief. So many reasons we can only imagine, we can guess. Maybe he was an orphan, he had no parents, or maybe he was so poor, so his parents were not able to feed him, and so this is the reason he could not study. So now here he was studying also with Anil, and he was learning many things. He was getting food, he was getting shelter, he was getting education. So he had a feeling of gratefulness, means thankfulness. Gratefulness means a feeling of thankfulness. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. Supplies means goods, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Mind means here bother. In this sentence, mind means bother, not brain. So now he's saying he was very happy. The 15 years old Hari Singh, he was very happy when he was working for Anil. And what was his work? In the morning, he would prepare tea, and after that, he would go for shopping to bring that day's supplies, goods. And usually he is saying that whenever he was doing bargaining, so he was earning ₹1 in a day. He was saving ₹1, and he is saying that maybe Anil knew about this, that he was making a little money or little profit by bargaining, but he's saying he didn't seem to mind. But maybe Anil was comfortable with that and he did not bother about it. Anil made money by fits and starts. Now, what is meaning of fits and start? It means that Anil had no regular income. He was not getting any salary, but sometimes he was getting good money, sometimes he was not getting any money. So this is the meaning of fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. Sometimes when Anil was without money, he would borrow from other people, and sometimes when he had money, he would give to other people. So borrow and lend is used here. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. Now, Hari Singh, what he is saying, that he understood that there was no permanent income or regular income for Anil. In fact, sometimes he was getting good money, and whenever he was getting check, he would go out and celebrate. And sometimes when he had no money, he would worry about his next check. So now he understood that maybe he wrote for magazines. He was a writer. He wrote for magazines. So in this way, he was earning his living. Make a living means earning his living. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money. Tuck means keep. Tuck means keeps something safely, actually. Money under the mattress. So that evening when Anil came, Hari Singh saw that he had a bundle of notes. And Anil told Hari Singh that day he sold a book to publisher. And then at night, Hari Singh saw that Anil kept that money safely under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. Now, in my line of work, underline this, in my line of work. What is the meaning of this? Can you imagine? Yes, in my line of work. What was his work? His work was theft. So he is saying that it was almost 1 month he was living with Anil, but he did not do what was his work. A line of work means what was his business, what was his work? Theft. So he did not do such things except cheating on the shopping, as we have discussed in previous paragraph, that he was earning 1 day, ₹1. 1 rupee one day whenever he was going for shopping, and he was doing bargaining. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. Pleased means according to his wish. So he's saying that Anil gave him a key of the door, and there was no restriction by Anil with that, because he that 15 years old Hari Singh, thief, and he's saying that though it was not very difficult for him to do what was his line of work, but he did not do, and according to his wish, anytime he could go out or he could come back. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Now he is saying that in his life of 15 years, Anil was the most trusting person he had ever met. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed. And that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Now he is saying that what was the reason? Why did not he rob Anil? Because he is feeling that Anil was an innocent and a very simple person and trustworthy. So that is why he is saying that it is very difficult to rob such person, and it is easy to rob a greedy man. Why? Because he can afford to be robbed, but very, very difficult to rob a careless man, because sometimes what happens that that person, he doesn't know actually that he has been robbed by someone, and that takes all the pleasure. It means it doesn't give pleasure to the robber. So he is saying that if that person doesn't know that he has been robbed by some other person, so what is the pleasure in that? This line shows that Hari Singh, he got pleasure, happiness whenever he robbed other people. So that's all for today. Now it's time for homework. So today's homework is read the story, complete story carefully, so that when I explain the chapter, it will be easy for you to understand. Number 1. Number 2, whatever paragraphs we have completed, we have done, you make 2 SMQs, self-made questions, and write answers in your homework notebook. So that's all for today. I wish you good health, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.